Hi, I'm Dr. Roy here with Dr. Chumak from Maxim Medical, brand new progressive regenerative medicine practice that is going to be open in about 30 days in Fort Lauderdale. And so it's very, very exciting. We're training on use of platelet-rich plasma for hair regrowth and sexual wellness, urinary incontinence. So tell us a little bit about what you're excited about.
First of all, thank you very much for the opportunity to participate. One of the best specialists in the PRP treatment in the United States. My practice will mostly concentrate on hair transplant restoration procedures. So I will look for another way to augment the success of those procedures, and PRP, I think, is a great addition with all the science behind it.
And you're going to have the ARTAS equipment.
It's one of the state-of-the-art equipment which utilize robotic technology to extract grafts. Additionally, I will plan to use PRP to submerge those grafts, and also which will also stimulate the regrowth rate.
Right.
And there's science behind that too.
There's a lot of science behind that, actually, where you soak the hair units in platelet-rich plasma to nourish them. And some of the providers are injecting platelet-rich plasma before the hair transplant, even weeks before, to try to prepare the scalp. So it's a great tool.
Absolutely. Additionally, I will have a general medical practice, and I hope to address sexual issues with my patients.
Excellent.
And I was delighted to see how much success you achieve with your practice, and I will be trying to be close to what you achieved.
Excellent, excellent. Well, so you're going to start the conversation, the sexual conversation. I think it's excellent. There's so many people with sexual changes as they get older, the stressors in life, and they're afraid to really start the conversation quite frequently because when they do, a lot of doctors don't have much for them. So this platelet-rich plasma will give you the confidence that you can help your patients who are experiencing a decrease in sensitivity, perhaps, difficulty reaching orgasm, women with urinary incontinence. Great, great stuff.
Absolutely. And also the area of facial aesthetics, that's something we cannot leave untouched. So
yeah, I added platelet-rich plasma to my aesthetic practice about 6 years ago, and what a difference. Patients that had been coming for a long time for dermal fillers and Botox, when I added platelet-rich plasma, they achieved that youthful glow that you really can't get with anything else. It's truly a rejuvenator and can be applied in so many different ways aesthetically. Well, excellent. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Good luck.
Thank you.